After graduating, I have joined this Jspiders in the month of August as a Java full stack development course, where Core Java has been taught by Kaushik sir and Vivek sir, and the web technology has been taught by Ningaraj sir. And while coming to SQL, it has been taught by Sanjay sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir. While learning Advanced Java, Ravi sir helped me to build applications, small scale applications, and also gain lot of skills. And I have been attended like grouping and mocks. Grouping helps me to know the questions which has been asked by the company, and mocks helps me to build the confidence for giving the interviews. And I have been joined